Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will learn about strings. Mainly we will see different functions available in strings. So, let me write a string. So, str is equal to say hello. Okay. So, here str is the variable with type string and then the value is hello. So, first let us see how to access string characters using indexing. So, for that what I can do, I can just write print and then I can write str of 1. Okay. So, let us see what we are seeing, it is printing E. So, basically what we did here, we tried to access first index element. Okay. So, similarly if you want to try second index, you should get L. Okay. See, you are getting L. Okay. We can also access string characters using negative indexing. So, what is negative indexing? Let me show you. Let us say print, then you say str, okay, and here let me put -4. Okay. So, let me run and show you. So, what it is printing? It is printing E. Okay. First let me comment out this, so you will not get confused. Okay. It is printing E. So, basically what is happening here? We are trying to access the fourth last element. So, when you are telling 4, it is the fourth last element, first, second, third, fourth. That is why you are seeing E here. If I will put fifth, then what will happen? It is printing H. Okay. If I will put 3, then it will give you L. Okay. When I put 4, it is giving E. Okay. So, we are trying to access the fourth element, fourth last element. Now, we will see how to extract a soft string from a string. Okay. So, let me comment this. So, let us say I just want to subtract this to HE, or I just want to get HEL, how I will get, right. So, for that we will write something like this, print, okay, then you say str 1:4. Okay. So, basically we are using here the slice operator colon. Okay. So, here we are writing string 1:4. Okay. Let us see what it is printing. See, it printed ELL. Okay. So, ELL, how it is giving the value? So, consider like this, this is your 0th index 1, 2, 3, 4. So, you have given 1 to 4. So, it started from 1, then when you put 1 to 4, it is 1 to 4 minus 1. So, that is why you are seeing ELL. If you will put 1 to 3, you will see only EL. Let me run it. You are seeing EL. Okay. So, if you want to find or extract a substring from a string, you can use this slice operator and you can get it. Okay. Let me comment out this. Now, let us see how to compare two strings. Okay. So, basically we can use the equal to operator to compare two strings. So, right now we have str equal to hello. Let me put it as str1, and then what I will do, I will just copy paste and I will say string 2 string 3. Okay. And in string 3 let me put hi. Okay. Now, let us compare str1 and str2. So, I will just say print, then str1 is equal to str2. Okay. And similarly I will say str1 is equal to 3. So, what you are expecting here? In this case it is matching, right? Hello hello is matching. So, it will give us true. In this case it is not matching, that is why it will give us false. Let me execute. See, in the first case it is giving true, in the second case it is giving false. Okay. This is how you can compare two strings. Okay. We will also see how to join two or more strings. Okay. So, here we have 3 strings, right. So, if you want to join, right, let me comment this. So, we will write print str1 plus str2 plus str3. So, let us see what happened, hello, hello, hi. Okay. Or if you want to put string 3 and then string 2, so hello, hi, hello it will be, see, hello, hi, hello. So, basically using this plus operator you can concatenate or join two strings. Okay. If you want to check if a substring exists within a string or not, how you will do it? Okay. So, basically you can use the keyword in. Okay. So, let me comment this. So, let us say you want to check whether the string 3 is present inside string 1 or not, right. So, for that you can write print str3 in str1. Okay. Is it true? Hi is present inside hello? No. So, basically it will return you false. So, let me run. See, it is giving false. Let us say you put he. So, he present inside hello? Yes. So, if you will run, it is giving true. Okay. So, when the condition is true, it will give you true. When the condition is false, it will give you false. Okay. Now, we will see how to find length of the string. Okay. You want to find length of the string. So, for that what you can do, you can say print, let us say length of str1 is, so you use length function, okay, length of str1, okay, run it. What you are seeing, 5, this is 5. What will be the length of string 3? It is 2, right, 3. See, length of str1 is 5, length of str3 is 2. So, using the length function you can find the length of a particular string. Okay. Now, let us see about escape sequence in Python. So, what is escape sequence? So, basically this escape sequence is used to escape some of the characters present inside a string. Let us say you have a string something like this. Let us say I have a string str4 and I will say hello, what is up, I will put something like this. Okay. So, you see, right, there are some error. As strings are represented by single or double quotes, the compiler is finding mix of it, right. That is why we are seeing some error here. But if you want to write something like this, right, how you will do it? So, to solve this issue, we can use escape character. Okay. So, in this case, right, we can just put a forward slash, okay, and here also one forward slash, okay, then it is fine. See, this is fine. We can just print str4. Okay. See, hello, what's up. So, there is no problem. So, basically we use the escape character to use this double quote here. Now, let us see one more thing, that is f string. Okay. So, let us say you have a variable name and give something, some value, let us say Harish, okay, and let us say I have city is equal to Bangalore, okay, and I have a print statement, print, okay, I will say name plus is from plus city. Okay, let me run. So, okay, I will give a space here, let me run it. So, Harish is from Bangalore. So, here we are trying to print, basically we are trying to use this name and city, and then we are trying to print this line, right. So, here I am using this plus operator and I am writing like this, right. I want in a better way, right. So, for that what you can do, simply you write print, then you say f, okay, and here you write name is from, you give city. Okay, run it. See, this is also same. So, Python f strings makes easy to print values and variables. This formatting syntax is powerful and easy to use. So, that is all for this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.